The cathedral lies just ahead.
We must find Donovan. He faced Jubal, so he must know something about all this.
You may ask him very soon, sister. He's near. I can feel his aura, but it's different somehow. Why is it so hard to read? It's like something, someone didn't want me to.
A girl. Why did he summon her?
I'm not sure he did it on purpose. This is bad. Very bad. Be on your guard, sister.
Chaos be damned, Lute. What is going on?
The Shade's aura. It permeates Donovan's completely. She's taking him over. I can barely sense him.
We have to wake him up.
Sister, you don't understand. We can't reach him. They are descending. I can't do anything about it.
That's nonsense. We must stop them.
Maybe the Shade exhausted her power. Now we could regain control. Unless he also withers and dies in the process.
We have to take the risk.
She lashes out in sudden fury. But I can stop her. I must. You focus on Donovan. I am here to stay. You don't know what it's like. There's no turning back. Can't you understand? How can you do this to him? He's your knight. We can't wake him up. You're making me angry. That girl's in great suffering. It drove her mad.
I don't care. Look what she's doing. She must be stopped.
Leave me be! I can't leave her alone. The pain I suffered. It means nothing to you, doesn't it?
I'm not giving up so easily, Lute. We've got to keep trying. What is she raving about? Donovan is just a puppet in her hands. She's protecting herself. We must break that barrier.
Righteous meddlers, get out of my sight! You're bringing this upon yourself.
This is gonna
You want me to slide back to oblivion? It won't happen. Not again! I am here to stay!
Dia tak mau jalan balik. Di depan tu.
We fought till the end.
We have to wake him up.
Sister, you don't understand. We can't reach him. They are transcended. And I can't do anything about it.
That's nonsense. We must stop them.
Maybe if the state exhausted her power, Donovan could regain control. Unless he also withers and dies in the process.
We have to take the risk.
Nothing to you all, but you must let go of it. You will both be lost if you don't. You want me to slide back to oblivion? It won't happen. Not again! She lashes out with such fury. But I can stop her. I must. You focus on Donovan. You don't know what it's like.
Donovan's just a puppet in our hands. She's protecting herself. We must break that barrier.
There's no turning back. Can't you understand? I'm on into Donovan. The pain I suffer. It means nothing to you, doesn't it? How can you do this? He's your knife. We can't wake him up. You're with the Order. You did this to us. To me. You trapped me in that nightmare. And you, Father. You let them. How? How could you do this to your own daughter? What? Father and Dalton. The Transcendent we've been chasing.
It's them. It's been them all along.
What do we do now?
We don't have much of a choice. We fight on.
Oh no. Help me. Energy she's unleashing upon us. There's no end to it.
We must resist.
We must. But what? We're blending together. It was so different.
Don't let this distract you, Newt. He came back once. We must help him do that again. If we lose them now, we will never know the truth. their transcended form, they will be unstoppable.
Then we must stop before it's too late. Fading away. I still can't believe this is the work of the Order. How could they conceive such a sacrilege? It had to be so hard for Donovan to keep his daughter under control.
She was mad at the Order. Maybe Jubal is behind this as well.
Even if Donovan is headed now, we may never know.
No, Matt. We have to try.
Supposing we're safe. Did he really make it? Her influence is gone.
Donovan, are you back in control?
Newt, I'm so sorry. I tried to resist her, but even now, I don't have much time.
Your shade. Was that your daughter?
Hannah, this is all my fault. Forgive her, if you can.
I can't understand. Are you even aware of what you've done?
It was the only way. Dougal, he had us brought here. The relic hidden inside the cathedral. He knew.
But the things you did, the things you said to us.
You were...
There you are. You thought you could elude me, shadeless? Scurrying around the ruins of this useless dump like a cowardly mouse. But your time is gone. Slide back to oblivion and let her rise again. We have a whole new world to forge. As for the two of you, you're just worthless pawns, insignificant in the grand scheme of things. If you can keep up, you'll witness the dawn of our rule. Everything you fought to save will be destroyed. And you will suffer the same fate.